All right, it's fall time. Time to fire up the furnace for the first time. 1978 Fetters. This thing's a beast. These old furnaces are just amazing. People like throw away these older furnaces and they work so darn good. It's not very efficient, but it's reliable. And the amount of money you spend buying new furnaces every 10 years, you might as well just pay the higher gas bill. It's really not saving you money if it's efficient, if you got to replace them every few years. It's just got the gas line, pilot. What else does it got? Here's the gas, the burner. No, this is the pilot light hose. Here's like a regulator. It's got like, I'm not entirely sure what this is. I got a brand new, like a champ. Yeah, it's got an old glass bulb fuse, on-off switch. And then some type of coil here. This is it. Yeah, the house is like 60 degrees. It's freezing. I have a spare fan and I got a spare motor for it. I just bought it last year. Spent like 280 bucks. The only thing I'm concerned about that I don't have a spare part for is this and that, but I know I can get them. I just gotta figure out exactly what that is. Alright. It lives. Little Union Fetters. .10 horsepower motor.